Well, hey everyone! Nice to see you again. It's me, Faerie Mer. You know, Thanksgiving is over, Hanukkah is just finished, and Christmas is around the corner. But one of my most favorite astronomical holidays is coming up, the Winter Solstice. Many cultures around the world, both modern and ancient, mark the Winter Solstice as a really celebratory holiday. It's the time when light returns. Let's learn more about it. Known as the shortest day of the year, solstice marks when the sun is at its lowest point relative to the horizon. In some places, the sun might not even rise at all. In fact, this is where we get the word solstice. Sol is Latin for sun, and sistere is Latin for stopped. Solstice, stopped sun. This year's winter solstice will be Wednesday, December 21st. On winter solstice, Earth's North Pole is tilted the farthest away from the sun. Anywhere within a 400-mile radius of the North Pole is plunged into complete darkness. Around here on solstice, however, we get 9 hours and 24 minutes of sunlight. By contrast, on summer solstice, we get 14 hours and 57 minutes. That's a huge difference. Technically, between now and December 21st, the days will continue to grow shorter. But after solstice, the light returns. Each day, the sun will stick around a little longer. Turns out, winter isn't the darkest season after all. Each day gets a little bit brighter. For many cultures, especially those in the north, this is a very important time to snuggle up with friends and family, tell stories, bake, read books, and do crafts. So today, you're going to have a Crafternoon with me, Faerie Mer. I'll show you how to make some holiday decorations using stuff from around your house or in your backyard. All you'll need are some sticks, strings, and a hot glue gun. Make sure you get a buddy if you need help with the hot glue. Some things from around the house already for my project. I've chosen whole spices as my decoration to help bring out the sense of the holidays. I have here some whole cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, star anise, spice bush berries. Do you remember collecting those? I also have some different colored twine. Planks that I got from the store, but you can use any plank you have lying around. Bundle of sticks from my backyard. Tools like scissors. My pruning shears. And a hot glue gun. Let's get started, shall we? for watching! Follow the Herbert Westcote Memorial Library on Facebook for activities and events. Happy holidays and have a blessed winter solstice!